Have you ever tried to use AWS Lambda to process large files? Things like PDFs, images, machine learning models, or just a random massive dataset that you need to work with? Well, as of a couple days ago, AWS finally announced a welcomed feature: 10 gigabytes of ephemeral storage for your Lambda functions. You see, in the past, when we were running our functions, we only had access to 512 megabytes of temporary storage in our temp directory. This worked for some use cases, but not for folks that needed to work with some very large file sizes beyond 512 megabytes. As a workaround, users needed to get creative. You'd have to mount an EFS or an elastic file system to your Lambda function to have access to more local storage. Although this worked, it contributed to a couple different problems. Number 1, performance degradation through cold start. Number 2, significantly extra cost for having to use EFS. And number 3, just general complexity for having to manage more moving pieces. All of this is now solved using the 10 gigabyte ephemeral storage option available to your Lambda functions. It's important to note that ephemeral storage means that data stored in your temp directory is not consistently maintained from execution to execution. Your application code should assume that it has access to this additional storage and that it disappears afterwards. This means the new feature is perfect for applications that require access to a large working directory to do things like unzipping files or downloading a really large dataset to work with during the function execution's runtime. If you need to persist the data afterwards, you'll need to save it to an external storage system like an EFS drive or Amazon S3. So what about pricing? It's important to note that you have the option to provision up to 10 gigabytes of ephemeral storage. 512 megabytes is included for free, but every megabyte over that 512 will cost you extra. The pricing model is as follows: 0.000000309 cents for every gigabyte second. Now that number probably doesn't mean much for you, so let me give you a practical example. So say we have a Lambda function that over the course of 1 month handles 10 million requests, runs at about 100 milliseconds runtime, and uses 1 gigabyte of memory. That'll cost you about $11.41. Now, if you wanted to add the 10 gigabytes of ephemeral storage to this function, the new price will be $11.70. That's only a difference of 29 cents per month by adding the additional 10 gigabytes of ephemeral storage. A pretty reasonable price. So how can you get started using ephemeral storage? You can modify your existing functions through the AWS console, through the CLI, using the SDK, or through CloudFormation. The same applies for new functions as well. So I hope you found this announcement useful, and thanks so much for watching.